What's going on, everybody? I heard the crows making a lot of noise and came out here and look who's visiting. It's Squeaky. There you go, girl. There you go. Pick you a good one now. You don't have to bite me. It was a little love bite. Hopefully the lighting's not too bad. She's a good squirrel. She's a good squirrel. I hope these guys don't get jealous. That's Mama. She got her fill though a little while ago on pecans and peanuts and a couple of sliced apples along with her youngest child. You ready for something else? Sometimes Squeaky will, right before she takes the first peanut or pecan or cookie, she'll bite my finger just extremely light, but I think it's affection. I don't know. But she's a good squirrel. She's looking better than she was looking a couple of weeks ago. Not quite as skinny, and her tail's coming, looking a little fluffier. You alright over there? Why are you hanging off the other side? You want another one? There's a pecan on top. There you go. There you go. She wants to, look at that. Turning her back to me. I'll leave her alone. We'll catch you later, Skippy.